Welcome friend. Let us continue to study about power transmission on my YouTube channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In today's lecture we are going to study about the friction drive and especially direct drive and flexible connection drive and in that belt drive. Direct drive or the friction wheel. Power is transmitted due to friction between them. The friction force transmitted is dependent on wheel load and the coefficient of friction. So here in direct drive, also known as the friction wheel, the power is transmitted due to direct connection and the friction between the direct connection. So if the force between them or force between two pulleys are less, then the friction will be less and the less power will be transmitted. And if both the surfaces are smooth, the the friction will be less and then power transmission will be less. So here the power transmitted in a direct drive mainly depends upon the force between them and the coefficient of friction between them. So that is the friction wheel or the direct drive. Flexible connection drive. So this is the, you can say, example, right? One is a driving wheel, another is a driven wheel, and both are connected using the flexible connection, and particularly this is the example of belt drive. So here they are connected using the belt. The different elements of belt drives are shaft, main shaft, driving and driven, so it is a driving shaft, this is a driven shaft, pulley, that is a driving pulley and driven pulley. The green color pulley is a driving pulley, red color pulley is a driven pulley, and flexible material. And this is known as a flexible material which is mounted on both the pulley, driving pulley as well as the driven pulley. And the flexible material can be flat belt, it can be V belt, it can be timing belt or any other. Electric motor is connected to the shaft known as a driving shaft. So with the driving shaft, electric motor is connected on which a pulley is mounted. So the electric motor is connected to the driving shaft, and the driving shaft the pulley is connected, which is known as the driving pulley. Similarly, machine is connected to a shaft. So here this is another shaft on which the machine is connected, and that shaft is known as the driven shaft, and on which one pulley is connected, that is red color pulley, and that pulley is known as the driven pulley. Both the pulleys can be connected by different types of belts like flat belt, V belt, timing belt. The different belt materials are leather belts, fabric belts, rubber belts, balata belts. So different types of belt material also available, and using the different material the belt drive is prepared. The different pulley materials are cast iron, steel, wood. So pulleys are also available in different material. Pulleys are made from cast iron, steel or wood. Flat belt, V belt and round belt. So you can see here the cross section area of the flexible material is flat, that is known as the flat belt. Here it is V shape, then it is known as the V belt, and here it is round flexible material is utilized, so it is known as the round belt. So here this is the, you can say, the figure or the sketch is available in different textbook. So there is a flat belt which is mounted on a flat pulley. So it is in a flat belt. Here it is a V belt. As the cross section area of belt is V, we require some V groove in a pulley. So it is known as the V pulley, and this is the V belt. And here as the flexible connection is having circular cross section, so to mount it on the pulley, we require some circular groove on the pulley. That is known as the, you can say, circular pulley and the circular belt or the round belt. So this is the example of the flat belt, V belt and the round belt. Now let us see flat belt. In this type of drive, flat belt is utilized. To accommodate flat belt, flat surface driving and driven pulley are utilized. Belt drive can be used for the shafts which are parallel and non-parallel. Open belt drive, cross belt drive, quarter turn drive, right angle drives are example of the belt drive. It is mainly used to connect two shafts which are not too short or too far. Now V-belt. In this type of drive, belt having V cross section is utilized. To accommodate V-belt, V-grooved driving pulley and driven pulley are utilized. It is used for the shorter center distance. It gives higher power transmission as compared to belt drive. V-belt drive is mainly used in the headstock of lathe machine, drilling machine, etc. Due to the V shape, the friction between the belt and the pulley is more, and due to that, it can transmit more power compared to flat belt. In this type of, that is a round belt, in this type of drive, belt having round cross section is utilized. To accommodate round belt, round grooved driving and driven pulley are utilized. It is used for the short or medium center distance. Round belt drive is mainly used in the textile machineries. So in the textile machineries, round belt drive are utilized. Timing belt. So here you can see the animation of the timing belt, where the belt is there but it is having some grooves on that, which ensures the proper timing or the proper you can say timing of the power transmission. So it is known as a timing belt or a tooth-head belt. Open belt drive and cross belt drive. So here you can see the belt drive directly mounted on both the pulleys. So it is known as the open belt drive. While here the belt is mounted in a cross. So it is known as the cross belt drive. Now the main example of the cross belt drive is there. Due to the cross arrangement, there is a more contact between the belt and pulley, and due to that, there is a more friction between the belt and pulley, and due to that, the more power is transmitted in case of the cross belt drive compared to the open belt drive. Sleep in the belt drive. So when we continue to run the belt drive, after some time or after some operation, belt is elongated. Now as the belt is elongated, the friction between the belt and pulley will reduce. And to nullify that effect, we have two choices. One, we can replace with the new one, or the another one that is known as the idler pulley is provided. That idler pulley is generally in the, you can say, a normal condition if the belt drive is new, but if it is taken or it is moved up if the belt is elongated. And as it is moved up, it has increased the, you can say, the friction between the belt and pulley, and due to that, the effect of lengthening of belt has been reduced or nullified, which increases the power transmission in a belt drive. So that is the sleep in belt drive can be reduced using the idler pulley. Speed ratio in belt drive. So consider that is a driving pulley A, that is a driven pulley B. So that is pulley A, this is pulley B. Capital D1 is the diameter of the driving pulley, D2 is the diameter of driven pulley, N1 is the RPM of the driving pulley, N2 is the RPM of the driven pulley. And by comparing the speed ratio, that is the pi D1 N1 is equals to pi D2 N2. Clear? So that is nothing but the speed of driving pulley is equal to speed of the driven pulley. So it is pi D1 N1 is equals to pi D2 N2. Now the transmission ratio, that is equals to RPM of the driving shaft divided by RPM of the driven shaft. That is N1 by N2. From that equation, pi cancel. So N1 by N2 is equals to D2 by D1. So transmission ratio in belt drive can be written as N1 by N2, or it is equals to D2 by D1. That is diameter of driven pulley divided by diameter of the driver pulley. Different types of pulleys. So generally let us see the pulley. So pulley is the thing but a device on which the flexible material is mounted, and it requires the firm gripping for the friction between the flexible material and the pulley. And this is the, you can say, different elements of the pulley. So this outside periphery is known as the rim. These are known as the arms, which is utilized for the, you can say, heaviness. And this is the center portion on which the shafts are connected, that is known as the hub. So there are different types of pulleys are available. So that is a flat belt pulley, that is a flat surface pulley. This is a V surface pulley where V grooves are mounted. It is only for the V belt. This is a round groove pulley. It is for the round belt. This is the, you can say the timing pulley, or you can say the tooth-head pulley. It is utilized for the, you can say timing belt. How the pulley is connected to the shaft. So this is a pulley. This is the shaft. So it is inserted, and with that the key is connected. So it is how the pulley is connected to the shaft. Another type of pulley are the, you can say step cone pulley. So here you can see that the diameter of the pulley in this continuously increasing from top to bottom, and here top to bottom it is reducing. So here you can see that the belt can be elongated. So if we require more power is to be transmitted, the belt can be adjusted according to the, you can say, the diameter of the pulley. So it is known as a step cone pulley. Kindly ask your queries in a comment box. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.